Hi everybody, this is Laura. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today I have an unboxing of the August My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition kit. First, I'm going to show you all of the papers that we get in this month's kit, and then I'll show you everything else that's in the kit. So we start off with this absolutely breathtaking, gorgeous Bow Bunny paper filled with black and white butterflies. I am thinking of cutting them out, but maybe I'll use parts of the whole sheet. I don't know, but I am very, very drawn to this paper. I think it's gorgeous. The other side has rows of tickets and some doilies, but my guess is I will probably be using this side. Here we have another Bow Bunny paper. This paper has some music notes in the background, and then you can see it has some letters inside circles. And the other page is a ledger paper with some postmarks in the corner. So lots of different uses for a paper like that. Then we have a 49 and market paper, and this is just so gorgeous. I love this paper. I would definitely use this as a background paper. I love the way they're all different colors. There's touches of peach and purple, green, and then there's also the print or the typed, I guess almost like a newsprint in the background. Very beautiful. And on the other side is another really beautiful pattern, the chevron kind of peachy pattern, but as usual with the 49 and market, there's a lot of variation in the different areas. There are a lot of papers and embellishments from the 49 and market Curator's Meadow collection. And so I noticed that for this collection, there are a lot of opportunities to cut papers apart and use pieces of them. And then the other side of the paper often tends to be great for backgrounds. So here we have some beautiful images of flowers, this adorable chipmunk, and then some other great pieces that could be cut apart. And then on the other side is this beautiful paper that could be used as a background. And I love all the interest in the 49 and market background papers. There's so much going on, and yet it's neutral enough that you could use it as a background. Just love that. Here's another paper that could be used as a whole sheet of paper, or you could cut it apart into its different sections. And then on the other side is just this absolutely gorgeous background paper, and I do really love all of these kind of swirls in the background, and again you could see there's some type in the background, and I love this branding strip on the bottom. It's all mushrooms. I'll have to incorporate that into my layouts. Here's some other papers that can be cut into pieces, or you could use this as a background paper as well. I love the mushroom images and the little bees, really nice. And look at this. That's super cool as well. And on the other side is this beautiful gray paper, and I love the brush strokes that you could see in the background. Okay, here we have some beautiful birds and some berries and leaves, more print in the background, some color, some black and white. And then on the other side is this beige background piece of paper. And again, I love this branding strip. The branding strips on 49 and market are often really awesome and great to add into layouts. Here we have some butterflies and mushrooms, some print. And on the background, I guess is a grayish blue background with some type again in the background. Here are some leaves and butterflies, again with the script print in the background. And then this side could also be a cut apart sheet, or again could be used as a background. Lots of cool images there. There are more mushrooms over here. Love those mushrooms. And then these beautiful flowers. And then on the other side is a really beautiful background paper. And then finally we get this paper, and I've been looking at this paper a lot. I love this particular image. I'm trying to think how I can incorporate it into a particular layout that I have in mind. And then there are some butterflies over here that could be fussy cut out, and then over here we have some more mushrooms. And then on this side, another beautiful background paper. There's a lot of postmarks and stamps, but again, very subtly in the background, so it could still be used as a background piece of paper. In the kit this month, we also get this cut apart sheet, and there are lots of great images that will complement the images that are on the pattern papers. We have some layering pieces, some frames. Look at this cute little chipmunk, butterflies, which I absolutely love adding those on my layouts. And then this kit seems to have a lot of mushrooms in it, so there's a lot of little cut apart mushrooms, and then some florals as well. We also get this beautiful stencil. I think this would be great for a tropical layout. I love these beautiful leaves, but they don't have to be tropical leaves. They are just striking me that way because I've been doing a lot of summer layouts, but these are just really, really beautiful leaves, and this stencil will look great on some of these background papers. We also get this 49 and Market chipboard sheet, and I love the way it has a couple of titles on it. I love using the titles, and I love chipboard. Chipboard is an embellishment that I am a big fan of because I love to have a little bit of dimension on my pages. So this has a lot of branches and leaves, and it has some butterflies, this adorable bird, there's another butterfly, some sentiments, some buttons, lots of great things to add to your pages, add a little bit of dimension and a little bit of color. We also get this set of Ephemera Bits. I love the 49 and Market packs of Ephemera Bits. They are just chock full of tons and tons of stuff to use on your layouts. I find that I always have lots of leftovers even after I've used up all the papers in my kit. And on the back, you could see that there is a image of all of the different things that you get in this pack. So I'm going to open it up and show you some of the things that are in here. Okay, so this is the Ephemera Pack. This is the packaging that it comes in, and this is what I showed you on the other side. It shows you all of the items that you get in this Ephemera Pack. You get 78 pieces, and then on the other side, there are some cut aparts that you can use on your scrapbooking layouts. And I do tend to use this packaging all the time on my layouts. So you could see down here, there's a cut apart sheet or a layering sheet. There's some mushrooms. There's a little story about the mushrooms and the umbrella. So I really like to use this. Not only are the images really pretty, but it's also nice and heavyweight. But the star of this package is, of course, not the packaging. It's the items that are inside the pack. And I'm going to show you some of them. I'm not going to show you every single one of them, but I just want you to get an idea of what's inside this package. So I saw this and I immediately thought this would be great to fussy cut out and use as a frame on your page. But in any case, it's absolutely beautiful. And I think that might be on the first layout that I make. There are also lots of layering pieces of all different sizes. So there are some larger ones, and then there are some smaller layering pieces. This one is a postcard. But these layering pieces will be great on all of those beautiful backgrounds of the pattern papers. So lots and lots of layering pieces. There are also some frames, some big ones, and then some that are on the smaller side. And those don't have to have a photo in them. You could use those as embellishments on your page. There are also lots of images in this ephemera pack. Here we see the mushrooms, the stamps. Here are some more of the layering pieces. And there are lots of other images. Let me find them. There are more mushrooms. There are some leaves. And then here are some branches. Super pretty. We have some butterflies. So lots of beautiful images. And then as usual with these packs, there are tickets, all different sizes and colors of tickets. So yeah, lots and lots of tickets to use on your layout. And then there are these sentiments. These are big enough to use as titles. So I always like when there are pre-made titles. Here's some more images of stamps and a postcard. And then there are lots of small sentiments here. Some of them are on these strips. Some of them are inside these little, almost like frames. In addition, there are lots of labels and tabs. I love using labels and tabs, especially the tabs. I really like to use those for dates on my photos. You can see here some more tickets. There's lots and lots of tickets here. There are different size and colors of labels and different styles as well. So you could see you get a lot of pieces here, lots and lots of stuff to use on your layout. And then finally, we have these two beautiful packs of flowers. I just love the colors on these. This one especially, it's just so gorgeous, so pretty. This one is super pretty too. I love the way there are these small flowers, medium flowers, larger flowers, and there's lots of leaves mixed in too. So lots and lots of stuff to work with in this kit, as always with the limited edition kit. I didn't have these flowers to show you, but here is a photo of another pack of beautiful Prima flowers that are included in the August kit. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it useful. If you would like to check out the kits that are on the My Creative Scrapbook website, you could see the limited edition kit, and you could see also there are some other beautiful kits that they have available each and every month, and the link is in the description box. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and I will see you all again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.